Kaspa crash. Should you be scared? Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to see what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, in the market cap, because as you can clearly see, since yesterday we are 5.6% down. The drop is still in a continuation, so today we will analyze what happened since yesterday. Also, we will see the technical side, what's going on from the technical side. Then we're gonna see what's happening in the hash rate and also in the top addresses and in the categories. And we're about to close the video, what you should do in this current situation and if you should be scared or not. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa and also around the crypto market. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel. And without losing more time, let's get straight into the video and start with the Kaspa price, because as you can clearly see today, and actually right now, the time that we are speaking, we are 5.5% down since yesterday, which is something that create a little bit fear for some people. Why we are dropping so much, guys? We are dropping for several reasons. One reason is the war. The war actually created some fear because some devs of Kaspa are from Israel, and actually the main contributors and the main devs are from Israel. So some guys immediately when they saw that, and especially the paper hands, immediately sold all their Kaspa bags. So instantly we saw some pullback, and then some paper hands that they don't know what they are doing in the space, that they just saw Kaspa randomly and they bought a random bag. These guys sold immediately too because they saw Kaspa dropping. And also we have the TA guys that they saw this symmetrical triangle that didn't broke this symmetrical triangle resistance, so they sold for that region too. And all of these things together plus the Bitcoin, which as you can clearly see, Bitcoin today is $26,800. It had a serious pullback, and actually you can call it like crash. If you combine all of these things, that's why Kaspa is dropping the last 3 days that much. But right now is perfect time to do your DCA. Okay, don't forget to do your DCA. We're gonna speak by the end of the video around the DCA and what you should do and if you should be scared if the price will go lower. Anyway, rank remains under top 50, and right now specifically we are ranked 46. Guys, this situation is about to flip very soon after all of the situation that's happening around the war and all of these sad news are about to fade away. Kaspa will recover beautifully and the whales gonna buy all of this big dip that's happening because the paper hands, because the people that got different opinion from the devs and they sold their bags, all of this kind of dip is gonna be bought out super fast because people right now are accumulating. If Kaspa gonna drop under 0.035 cents, we're about to see lots of kidneys in sell. So as you understand, people are about to sell their kidneys just to buy Kaspa under 4 cents. The price won't drop that much as you think. Market cap remains 877 million, which is a very great spot for accumulation. Okay, I told you under 1 billion is a big steal. Okay, especially under 900 million is phenomenal discount. So don't miss this opportunity. And let's move straight into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, no matter what's happening with the war, hash rate is moving into the upside. More ASICs are plugged into the Kaspa network, and that's powerful. That's what we need for stable network, stable Kaspa network. That's very healthy to welcome even bigger adoption for Kaspa. And the hash rate, as you can clearly see, is moving from time to time into new all-time highs. Okay, right now the all-time high is 51.1 petahash per second, and the current one is 48.79 petahash per second. And that's something that is really, really bullish. To remind you, the early days of August, we had 5 petahash per second, and right now we have 48.71 petahash per second, which is astonishing. Also, as you can clearly see, 72.57% is mined from the max supply, obviously caused because the rapid emission schedule. We are about to see almost all the coins out until 2026. 2026, I believe it's going to be approximately 27 billion coins out of 28.7 billion, which is, as you understand, after that point, Kaspa will start to be deflationary. So that's quite very bullish. And let's move into the top addresses, because guys, as you can clearly see, the last 24 hours, all the categories are in accumulation. All categories right now are buying, and the only guys that are selling are the people who got different opinion than the devs, which for me is quite stupid, okay, to sell your Kaspa bags, because you have different approach to the current war than the devs. Okay, that's pretty stupid, because crypto is here to unite the people and not to separate them. Okay, we are here, and actually we are here to fight against governments. Governments and the people in the authorities make us to kill each other. Okay, to kill each other. All we are humans, all we are brothers each other, and they are putting us to fight each other, and these people are getting billionaires, and the simple guys are actually getting killed, and their families are actually crying over the dead bodies. So as you understand, we are like toys for the governments. That's why, guys, I recommend you to keep the politics out of the crypto. Crypto is here to unite the people and not to separate them. So please don't sell your bags because you have different approach from a Kaspa dev that is from Israel. Kaspa has nothing to do with politics, has no nationality as coin. Okay, anyway, as you can clearly see, crabs, octopus, fishes, dolphins, sharks, whales are all in accumulation, which is something that I recommend you to do too, okay, to accumulate more. And as you can clearly see from the top addresses, KuCoin is in accumulation. It's going straight to 800 million Kaspa coins. They're buying the dip. Get.io actually, as you can clearly see, sold, or some people withdrew, whatever. We saw a reduction into their Kaspa balance. And Mixi, guys, look at this, 250 million Kaspa coins. They are constantly dropping their balance. And as I have told you, I believe that they are selling. And you're gonna see that when actually the current situation is gonna be like stable with a consolidation phase, Mixi at that point always, and that has been proven in the past, always suddenly they buy like crazy, and suddenly they become number one in the addresses with the biggest balance. We have seen in the past, guys, even Mixi in Aquaman category above 1 billion. So I believe they're playing these swing trades, and I believe maybe they are doing these trades with futures. Anyway, that's something that we will never know. I just mentioned that maybe they're playing these games. And let's go, guys, straight into technical analysis, because from the technical side, we are very, very dangerous position. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. If this is gonna break, then if this support gonna break, which is forming from June, the technical analysis will say that we're gonna have a serious correction back to very low price. But as you know, I don't rely on technical analysis, and if this scenario is gonna break and we're gonna get lower, it means that also Bitcoin will go lower. Okay, I have told you that Kaspa can drop only if Bitcoin will crash under $20,000. And obviously right now it's crashing more than Bitcoin because, or actually the same as Bitcoin, because the war. Okay, war due to the devs that are from Israel actually caused this furthermore drop for Kaspa. But anyway, if Bitcoin will drop back to $23,000, then only I expect only to see Kaspa in a lower price like 0.033, 34, 35, prices like that. Okay, and especially if you believe that Kaspa can touch the 3 cents, only if Bitcoin will drop at $20,000 or even below that. Only at that point we can see Kaspa at 3 cents or even slight below that. But if this continuation of the drop will happen the next coming days, and even for the Bitcoin and even for the Kaspa, maybe Kaspa in the next coming days will go to retest the 200 daily moving average, which I believe that if this support will break, that Kaspa is forming this uptrend movement since early days of June, huge uptrend movement. If this support will break, then we will get straight to retest the 200 daily moving average, where I believe that we will break to the upside like crazy. But obviously, guys, I would like to declare the things that is very hard to break the 0.041 cents and even harder to break the 4 cents area. Okay, it's going to be very hard to break that. Okay, and from the Bitcoin side, as you can clearly see right now, we got rejected in this serious 200 daily moving average, and we are in a very serious support line where Bitcoin right now is retesting it. So we will see if Bitcoin will actually bounce from that into a higher level, or we will actually continue into a lower price. So that's happening from the current situation. And the answer and the question here is, should be scared if Kaspa will drop, and what you should do. Guys, calm down, do your DCA, focus in the long run, 10 years from now, 5 years from now, Buran 2025. Don't focus that much in the short term. That ups and downs happening all over the time. Personally, I don't care. I sleep very well in the night. Stop thinking with swing trades that if you should sell now and buy later. No, avoid that. I can guarantee you that you can get wrecked if you think that way. 100%. I can guarantee you that if you think to sell now and buy like in 3 days from now, just in case that Kaspa after 3 days will drop at 0.035 cents, even if you succeed to that, okay, even if you catch that, it's gonna happen only for one time. Subsequently, with this mindset, you're gonna get wrecked. Okay, if you do that 10 times, I can guarantee you that the 7 times, 8 times, the price won't go as you are expecting. And also, guys, I would like to tell you here, don't rely in TA. I saw right now recently some guys are speaking that Kaspa is dropping because the TA. This is so ridiculous to believe that a project is moving 100% with TA. Kaspa relies in fundamentals. You cannot rely in technicals. Technicals are actually some kind of a bullshit. That I don't say that there is no importance. There is some importance, but in reality, it's 75% fundamentals and 25% technicals. Okay, so please don't rely 100% in technical side because you will get wrecked. Only very few in the space, like 0.1% of traders that are actually successful because they rely and combine TA with fundamentals. Only TA will lead you broke. I can guarantee you that. So right now, I would like to tell you to keep doing your DCA, avoid any kind of trade. Is a very great opportunity to accumulate big bag right now with an extreme discount. Unfortunately, sadly, because the war. This is sad as I say that, but for you as an investor, this is opportunity to buy Kaspa lower. Okay, so with very bad news, it's good for your pocket. Okay, unfortunately. I pray for this war to come in the end as fast as possible. I pray to be safe, all the devs and all the Israelis and all the Palestinian guys that has no correlation and they don't want this violence to happen and they see their families in trouble and they are worrying about what's going to happen if they're going to be alive or their families if they're going to get a hit or whatever. I pray for all of these guys to stay safe and I hope this war to come in to the end and leave all the people in peaceful and in peace in general. So guys, that's what I would like to tell you. Also, for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa? Guys, I store my Kaspa in a Tangem Wallet, and as you can clearly see, nowadays we have a special limited Kaspa Tangem Wallet edition, which is not gonna last for many days. Guys, as you can clearly see, grab your Kaspa wallet powered by Tangem right now. It's only for a few days, limited edition. You will never see this edition again, so order now. If you press here, order now, you would be able to order it, and with CryptoChris code, you're gonna have 10% off. I recommend you to buy this wallet with Kaspa branded, because otherwise you're gonna buy the simple one with this link, or if you go through Tangem website by itself, the simple Kaspa website, you're gonna buy the simple card of this cold storage. Cold storage is the safest way to store your cryptos, and as I told you, CryptoChris code, and you're gonna have some discounts. And guys, do not forget to check the WealthNET, because as you can clearly see, since the price increased, because the first spot closed, we increased the price, and also we incorporated a monthly tier. I recommend you to check the benefits. You can pause the screen, check all the benefits, and see what fits better for you. The monthly you can enter via Patreon, the annually and lifetime you can enter only via crypto, especially Kaspa or USDT. So see what fits better for you. In lifetime, you will be like a main contributor of the group, something that will bring you insane benefits, something that lots of people are gonna be jealous very soon and you're gonna get FOMO. Anyway, WealthNet designed to build you a proper crypto investing mindset, and also you will chill out with very elite guys, multimillionaires, business owners, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine is inside of these very elite guys. And also you will learn from people that have already succeeded in the crypto space, and right now they live a wealth life. That's the WealthNet. The spots are limited for these prices. The price is gonna be increased even more, so get your spots before the prices be increased even more. And that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.